system and you don't shit, then yeah, you'll probably die of internal bleeding, colon cancer, heart attack, bacterial infection, septic shock.
Because turtles
or something along those lines. I want to hear turtle shit. Because if it's an animal and it's a living animal, then that means it shits. Okay? Even caterpillars shit. Okay? Caterpillars shit. Okay? Butterflies shit. The smallest insects shit. Okay? My guinea pig shat. So did every other creature I had. Your pets, Christian's pets, Tom's bird shit, Ryan's dog Bella shit. She probably shits a lot. She probably has the fucking die of shits from running around all the time.
Well, because I said turtles shit a lot.
So to put it in plain language here, anything that lives or breathes shits and pisses and everything else. Does that answer your question? Does that answer your question, babe?